G'day everybody, it's John Howard from Supertech Electronics, and today we're going to show you how to remove a Nissan X-Trail sound system. Tools you will need is a Phillips screwdriver and a plastic spudger. Okay, let's get started. First section we're going to remove is this part here. Now we don't need to remove it all the way, we just need to lift one corner. That end can stay firmly attached. Okay, so we're going to spudger this part out here. Now it is held in with a very strong clip, so you may need to move your spudger up a little bit until such time as it gives way. Like so. And we'll just support it a little bit, just till we get it loose like that. And that will expose one screw in there, which we're going to remove. And the next section we're going to remove is this bottom part here. It will separate from the radio, and we can usually do that by getting your fingers underneath and separating it that way. Now you'll need to it's held in with some very bendy clips, so we'll need to maneuver it until it comes out like that. That's what you're fighting against, and we're just going to let that sit down there for the time being, and that will expose two more screws. We're going to go ahead and remove them. Okay, there's one more screw behind the start stop button here, so we're going to remove that as well, and I'm just going to move that aside for the time being so I don't damage it. And we can do this just like this, unclip it, and that will expose the last screw that's holding the stereo in. Okay, now this whole stereo will come out now, like so, and it will be held in with some electrical connections, very easily removed by pressing the center pin and pulling them towards the back. Okay, and that's ready to send off to Supertech Electronics for repair.